Hey guys, we are at Value Village on Regent. Come with me inside and we're gonna go check it out, see what they have. 50 bucks for this lug bag? That's crazy. That's insane. What kind of bag is this? They have these Dior glasses that are cute for 20 bucks. So those Dior, those Dior glasses are 20 bucks. Not too bad for Dior. Now I just need to find a case for it. Not rich. $15 bucks. Sorry. Okay, this is oh, my chateau. Mark. Somebody said that they liked the way the clanging of the hangers. I don't know why. So I'll let you guys listen to this clanging of the hangers. Bottega Veneta? No. Well, there's nothing here today. Nothing. This is very used Toms for 23 bucks. Toms? They're supposed to be comfortable. Okay guys, we are at Style Encore. Oh, this is cute. 50. Not that cute. It's cute. It's fossil. They have that Kate Spade up there. A couple of Coaches. I've sold this Lunenburg before, but did not make like a good profit on it. Coach for 60. I don't see anything that pops out at me. That's like insane for the price. Coach 75. Got that Badgley Michigan one. Kate Spade. Oh, you're going cute. It's kind of cute. I like this though, it's kind of cute. 50. It's a really cute bag. It's no MCM though. They have that Kate Spade up there. A really good price at $75. Brand new Rickies. Retail is like 89, on sale 50. Their sale, 13. White spinning. Ooh, Prada heels and Prada sandals? Really? Nice. Cute. So I was thinking of getting this one.
Oh, did it went away?
Kind of cute.
Do you want to do it over?
It's like a Saffiano leather Michael Kors wallet. It's $30, so it's plus I have 10% off. We're at Plato's and I found like there's this really cute matte duffel bag. It's like up there. I don't know if you can see that. It's like really, really cute. Vegan leather too. Betsy Johnson. We're just gonna look around and see if they have anything to resell, obviously. Time to go to A&W. Yummy. I just came from Cellular Ego and we bought ourselves a phone case for my iPhone 10. Look at how cute that is. It was $30. I know it's expensive and I can probably get it on Amazon, but I do want to test it out and like see it first in person rather than ordering something. Anyway, yeah. I think it's really cute and cool. Hey guys, Miss Philly here. Sorry for the weird angle. This is like not my car and the angle's like weird. But I just wanted to show you a couple of things. I came from the mall and I picked up a couple of things. First I picked up some kimchi from the Korean place. And this is for dinner later. It's just like Korean barbecue. So yumsters. I want to show you what I got from Dollarama. Okay, first we got the cell phone case, and that was like $33, which is kind of expensive, but I really like it. Like, look at that. Isn't that cute? It's for my iPhone X because I purchased an iPhone X. It should be coming here on Friday. Frickin', it was so expensive. It was like frickin', I ended up like paying, I think like $540. I know, but I need a new phone. So, really cute. I like that. $33, whatever. Probably cheaper on Amazon, but whatever. And then we bought 2 of these Live Clean conditioners. I really like this brand. You can buy this at Walmart for like double the price, but at Dollarama, it's like $4 a piece. I really like the conditioner. It's what I use now. And I bought some junk food. I bought my favorite chips, the sour cream and onion chips. 2 for $1. And then I bought Reese's Peanut Butter Cups because I'm out of my Atkins one, and Ferrero Rocher because it's my favorite. And I want to show you the Dior glasses that I got from Value Village. Okay, so we got these Dior sunglasses from eyeglasses from Value Village. Such a score on these. Oh, these are so, like, look at that. It curves like that. And it says Dior over here, like that. And then it says Dior made in Italy. And it's really cute. And it's different, you know. See? Do I look like a classy bitch or what? Right? Love them. I think these are the glasses I'm going to use to get, you know, because I still have the Bulgari, the Gucci, and the Burberry ones. But yeah, that's what we have. Anyway, guys, thank you. I'll see you guys when I see you. Bye. Oh, and I finally found nose trimmers. Yay! But these were $20 compared to the Dollarama one, which was $4. But it's okay. We can finally trim the nose. Woo!